What's happening, people? This is Rohit here, and it's the last weekend of September 2024, and the time right now is 8:30 a.m. and I'm on my way to attend the Philadelphia Rath Yatra, and I want to take you all along with me today. It's already drizzling here in Jersey City. I'm walking to ISKCON of Hudson in Jersey City. It's just walkable distance from my place. And then we have a group of cars, and all the devotees are pulled together, and we'll be starting at 9 from ISKCON of Hudson. So it will take us 2 hours to reach Philadelphia. And today we are also fortunate enough to do Seva from 2 to 3:30, so I'm super excited about that as well. And the first one here, the place is still closed and are operating on Indian Standard Time. Can't blame them. I'm just going to collect the keys and open it myself. At least that way I can stay inside and avoid the slight drizzle here. Temple Prabhuji here. Are you excited for Rath Yatra today?
Yes, absolutely.
Yes, see, that's the energy we need right in the morning. We'll see how others' energy is when they start coming. So yeah, I got the keys as well. Super excited. How many times have you attended the Rath Yatra, Philadelphia one?
Almost 30 years.
Almost 30 years. See, that's consistency. We are past the temple as well. At the temple, smells completely of lemons. Yesterday we squeezed lemons and it's been over 12 hours, but still it smells of it. I'll attach those clips here. This is how many lemons we are squeezing for Philadelphia Rath Yatra on Saturday. Like a production line right here, and I'm using this residue to squeeze by hand. But all these people are using the squeezer to do it. And now we're going to filter it as well. We are about to make 3 whole gallons. I've never done something like this in my life, and we also have one more bucket here. Doing this, the second round.
Govinda.
Okay, look at us.
Hare Krishna, everybody.
You get 300 lemons. You should have contacted Guinness World Record before if anyone has attempted this kind of challenge. And look at the residue here. This is so much. Show the residue here at the bottom. This is how much is left, and that's the last load over there. The 300 lemons in total. I think we have been doing this for over 1 hour, and hopefully we'll be done. And this is on Friday night, and tomorrow we have Rath Yatra. The deities. Yesterday night, a lot of lordships left because they were here for temporary purpose for Janmashtami and Radhashtami. So all the lemon concentrate is frozen. All the bottles in one box. We'll be taking this. Tilak done. Perfect. Thank you. These are coming in. They're all putting the tilak. 9:18 right now, and we are finally starting from ISKCON of Hudson. Take us 1 hour 35 minutes approximate. It'll be hard to get into Philadelphia because of the traffic. It's weekend too, but overall it's going to be fun. We're also changing the car assignment in the last minute. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji, Hare Krishna. So all the devotees together. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. We are going to
If you want to go, yes. Car assignment decided. So 3 people, 2 more are there coming behind. So we are going to the car. And last time I was with Sumanta Prabhuji. Yeah, we'll make sure that you can see the videos and we can make sure everyone in the car are here all together. And I was with Sumanta Prabhuji even for Geeta Nagari Rath Yatra that happened last month. So we had good bonding time. So it was fun. Woo! Yeah, I need to be vlogging carefully. And yeah, it's going to be fun. I'm going to sit shotgun. We are going to pastime that way. It's like 1.5 hours. It's like my pastime in Philadelphia. That's what is going to happen. We're finally here. Oh, I can put this in the back then. We're going to start. Hare Krishna, everyone. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Yes, I'm getting roasted in the morning itself while he's doing his japa. Starting at 9:25. Sumanta Prabhuji, are you excited?
11, yes.
Yes.
11, we'll reach 1 hour before the start.
Yes, perfect. On the bridge, and then it's super foggy. Weather is just so nice outside. And you can see the New York City skyline covered with the fog. Oh yeah, thank you. And in the next 1.5 hours, we go back to Philadelphia skyline. Wow, they still have not turned on half the lights. You can see the runway strip of Newark Airport.
No, it will be on because of the weather also.
Yes, there's the harbor. That's the Newark skyline. It's where I went for school, grad school. You can see the flight. 53 miles, just this
We'll
road.
reach almost
And Newark Airport. Of all the airlines, Spirit Airlines is coming landing. This road for the next 53 miles, but also to give some background, it's been over 1.5 years since I've been to Philadelphia. And I last went there in February 2023, and it was for a different transition period altogether because I was going through so many things. And then it's been 6 months after I moved to Jersey City, and then I went back. It's the city of brotherly love. They didn't say it for any stupid reason or something, but it's all about having fun. And back then it was a different reason. Here now it's for a spiritual reason. Going there for Philadelphia Rath Yatra. I'm super excited. My first one in Philly. It's more like it's weather, destiny or freedom, but again, it's all about having fun, and answer session is what is happening. Getting all my doubts cleared. That's what it means by being in association with the devotees.
Bhagavatam classes and all, right? So
Continue for 9 miles.
busy.
Color of the trees slowly changing. Fall season, so beautiful. The crash information over there. Left lane closed, and we are in the left lane.
We have to take
We are delayed with this crash, and actually there was a car with devotees, and that car had the lemon juice, all the concentrate over there. So they are also delayed, and they are technically behind us because for them it showed over an hour. So we thought we are ahead of them, and that we should have got the juice with us. But at this point, we don't know if they are ahead or we are ahead. But either way, hopefully we'll reach the place on time, at least before the Rath Yatra starts. We are entering Philadelphia. I've driven on all these roads. Good memories. So foggy in Philadelphia, and it's also drizzling as well. So excited to see Philadelphia skyline after 1.5 years. Or no skyline, no Benjamin Franklin Bridge, nothing. But either way, the focus here is on Rath Yatra. Benjamin Franklin Bridge. Used to commute to my college through that bridge. Wow. I also walked on the bridge as well. Finally here in Philadelphia. You can also see the City Hall. That's the central building with William Penn at the top. Just look at this. Philadelphia, heart of Philadelphia, and that's City Hall. I have so many pictures in front of City Hall. It's just so beautiful, like the first time I saw it. Wow. The Rath Yatra is starting around here. Oh, I can see the Rath as well. There's a low structure. See the Rath. They're all ready. And that's the route all the way over there to Museum of Art. That's like 1.5 2 miles. Finally in Philadelphia. Breathing Philadelphia air. Such a special place in my heart for sure. And also looks like it's going to keep drizzling like this till the end. You can see the Rath there. We are all early. We are waiting for other cars to come. And then everyone together, they'll park at the finishing spot so that it becomes easier for us also to go and do a seva. But yeah, finally in Philadelphia, I can remember all these places right next to a suburban station. And I also have my pass with me over there, one of the skylines. I used to be this person who would name all the buildings as well. One Liberty Place, here, there. I'm just waiting for everyone to come, but just amazing to be here finally. They are taking time. I thought, why not renew my SEPTA key pass because it's expiring in the next 3 days. So while we are waiting, I just want to go to suburban station and get the pass renewed. And the rain also is starting to get heavy. This is the starting point. We're going all the way over there. That's the Museum of Art. Such a beautiful path as well. You can see the City Hall of Philadelphia here at the suburban station. Just want to get this transaction done and rush back. I miss being in Philadelphia. Just amazing. Here at the counter for my renewal. The card issue is taken care of. Oh, see, it's the Eagles lanyard as well. Philadelphia Eagles representing everywhere. But overall, this part is taken care of. And now I'm going back to where they are waiting for me. And hopefully I'm not late because they did not call as well. But I never thought that I'll be coming back to Philadelphia for a reason, for something like spirituality. And that too, I'm on this path right now. And it's just amazing. I'm super excited. It's my first Rath Yatra in Philadelphia. And hopefully not my last one. I'm telling you, Philadelphia is such a beautiful city. Look at this place. Just amazing. People are amazing. City is small. It feels cozy. It's just about the people, the kind of relationships that I built here. And that too, since I started my bachelor life in Philly, it's very close to me. Initially, they were expecting 2,000 to 3,000 devotees. But because of the weather, I know that the number will be less. But either way, it's all about being with the association of the devotees. I'm here at the first Rath. Oh, it's just so beautiful. That is, this is a bigger Rath. Because in Philadelphia one, sorry, the Gita Nagari one, we had the smaller Rath. This is the first one. This is the second one. Devotees from Jersey City are here. We're just waiting for 1 or 2 cars. And here also people have started to assemble. So in the next few minutes, we'll be going to park and then we'll finally go and join the Rath Yatra. Skyline, the Liberty Place buildings. Here to take pictures in front of the City Hall and the Love structure. Finally here at Love Park, in front of the Love structure. It's so beautiful. Ta-da! Back in Philadelphia with City Hall on this side. So downtown Philadelphia with City Hall. And on this side we have North Philadelphia. I used to live 2 miles from here. The City Hall for pictures. And now that photo session is done, we're going back to Rath Yatra. Poncho just in case. All the drivers are going to go in one car and park at the finishing line. And then they'll come back here. And then you can see the number of people in front of me. Wow, so many. Two Rath, one here, the other one. Got this mala from a devotee. The Jagannath Rath, and on this side we have the Panch Tattva. Nobody's flocking in front of this Rath though. So there's a full freedom to take pictures. Yes, still there are devotees around here. It's so nice to notice that it's actually the Panch Tattvas that's leading the Jagannath Rath. Vishnu Katha Prabhuji, who gave us the opportunity to do seva today. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. All the people are flocking only around this Rath. Got devotees of Jersey City scattered all over. The dance program. They are singing the invocation mantra, and then we'll start pulling the Rath. Krishna, 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 Hare, Hare. Jai. Hari Bol. Jai. Now we'll start pulling. Starting to pull now. Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar. Everyone have flocked to the Jagannath Rath, and the Panch Tattva Rath has slowed down, so they're asking us to also slow down. Gauranga, Nitai Gauranga, Nitai Gauranga. Started pulling once again. Stopped once again. All the way. At the Franklin Institute of Science, just covered quarter of the path from City Hall till here. We have passed the halfway mark. And now we are on the Museum of Art Parkway. It's a beautiful road. Weather is also amazing. Fall season. Inside, right behind me. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Rama Rama, Hare
Rama Rama Hare Hare.
He turns between the path for the run to come. The road and museum. At the Jagannath Rath, and now I'm trying to go in front of the Panchtattva Rath and be here for some time. Who would have thought, who would have imagined, even I wouldn't have imagined me. I was in Philadelphia for nearly a year. I did not get the chance to go to temple as well. And now on the streets where I have roamed in the morning, at night, with friends, without friends, and then rollerbladed on these streets, just amazing memories. And now I'm back here for a spiritual reason. Just amazing. Front of the group. The Philadelphia Museum of Art. You can see the stalls right here. We'll end the Rath Yatra on this side.
Krishna Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram.
Leading all the Rath. So wherever we go, they'll also follow technically because this is to welcome the Rath. How's the experience so far?
Krishna,
Of the Rath Yatra.
It's awesome.
Yes.
With
This is
Jagannath,
your
it's
first
always
time.
awesome.
Yes, that's why we are also enjoying.
Rath Yatra.
Yes,
Jai Jagannath.
Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath. Hey, look at these two. This huge queue for Prasad. And we are taking the deities to the center. There are so many stalls as well. We are near the steps of the Museum of Art. You can also see the Rocky statue over there. It's also known as the Rocky Steps. It's a queue in front. Hare Rama, Hare Rama. See the long line, the Rocky statue. Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. That's the second Rath over there. The first Rath behind me. We went around the Museum of Art, finally going inside to the park area. They're making a wide turn. Then the second Rath, the Jagannath Puri, the Lordship. See the city hall over there. Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. They're doing Kirtan. Got mini mridangam for $200. And even this one. So $150. I'm here at the feast line. 2:20 right now, and our seva time is actually from 2 to 3:30, but since everything is delayed and all the devotees are scattered over, try and find them and figure out when is our seva duration. It's the menu, so many options. The Ekadashi special. Yeah, I am breaking my fast right now after over 18 hours. So, Jai Jagannath. Thank you. This is the menu. It's my plate. This is where we are sitting down to eat. Thank you, Mataji. This is pork. So many options and it's all good. So good. Because it's Ekadashi, we are having quinoa. So fortunate that an extra papad came and fell in my plate. Ready for another round. Yes, this part is done. Now we'll go for the next one. We'll be trying this line food, even though it's the same food. Left side, they have vegan option as well. And on this side, they're working like a production line here. Hare Krishna Mata, Hare Krishna. Really not a salad person. Salad is so good. This plate also has different varieties. Apart from papad, like different curries. I'm just doing some sightseeing on my own. Huge line for the Rocky statue. I was catered till this place. Got my mini photo session done with the Rocky statue. This visitor center is new. It was not there the last time I visited. Here are the famous Rocky steps. Now it's time to run. That's what I came here to do the last time I was here. See the city hall and both the Raths behind me. Weather's just amazing, a bit foggy. Still, being in Philly, it's like coming back to home for me. Museum of Art. This place is so calm and serene, and the last time I visited this museum was in Feb 2022. The last time I visited Philadelphia was Feb 2023. So much of self-discovery. Definitely grateful for the kind of life that I have had in the US till now. Wow, what a journey. Just amazing. Now I'm running down the steps to go back to the Rath Yatra. I got this book from the counter. I'm in the line to see the Rath once again. So many stalls around here. Near the Prasad area to do some seva with the drinks. So many cans of water. This is the jars in which we got the concentrate for lemon juice. I'm doing seva here, standing in the line, serving vegetables. Time is 4:05 right now, and we are done with seva. We are planning to leave in a few minutes. Overall, it was so fun. I'm getting the other 3 people who are in my car. Last darshan of Jagannath in Philadelphia. Yeah, shorts is still here inside. It's still wearing shorts inside. Yeah, complete transformation. Last round of fries before we leave, and we'll eat it while going. The Panchatattwas are going back to the temple where it came from. We are walking back to the car, going to the parking area. Parking was done at 4:25 and we have to leave, otherwise we'll be charged the ticket. And this is the official parking area for the temple devotees, but we parked somewhere else and it's super cloudy as well. But anyway, now we are leaving. We also got some fries for going back. These are the 4 people in my car. We got Prabhuji as well. How was your experience, Prabhuji?
Awesome. Always with Jagannath.
Yes,
Jai
he is.
Jagannath.
Yeah, he is already in a state of bliss. Let's talk to the other people. How was your experience for both of you? Enjoyed?
Yeah, it's so nice, and we are thinking that we are really elevated, and we are going to back to the Godhead, and it is a really transcendental, and it's amazing and fascinating journey.
Yes, like a speed time limit has been given to Prabhuji. It's like 20 seconds. That's why.
We devotees and enjoyed a lot, and
Of course, of
Hare
course.
Krishna, yeah.
He's talking for you also.
And, thank you, Rohit.
Yes, thank you. Hare Krishna. See, there also people are there, devotees. So yeah, we're going back to the car. And so many new things. This bus thing is something I've never seen before. Philadelphia, Museum, Love Park, Flash. So many new things. Even the public washroom was new to me. Visitor Center at the Museum of Art, also beautiful as well. I remember skating at night at like 1 a.m. Look at this road. So beautiful. The weather is also amazing. Philadelphia Rath Yatra finally done. And now it's back to Jersey City. Amazing time in Philly, and now it's time to go back. It's so good, salted peanuts.
Yeah, you will
So,
have
snack.
next to you only, snacky and all.
Yes,
So at
even
night
this.
I will have.
We're going to reach the temple around 6:26, passing the Benjamin Franklin Institute of Science, the City Hall. Whoa, we are on Broad Street, 2 miles here, and another Jersey driver. And bye bye to Philly.
He was about to hit him.
Yeah, all Jersey drivers are driving it as if we are belong in New Jersey. And this is actual city life. Benjamin Franklin Bridge. Look at the weather, so foggy as well.
If he has created this universe, if he has created every living being, everything.
Finally here in Jersey City, near the temple. Time is 6:30 right now, and I'm walking back to my home. Overall, it was fun being with the Association of the Devotees, as well as going back to Philadelphia after such a long time. And hopefully it's a good transition period for me after going for something like Rath Yatra, that too in Philadelphia. I still cannot wrap my head around it. But overall, it was so fun being associated with this kind of Hudson, and hopefully for many more years from now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in another one. Till then, bye.